How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make G-codes in Creality Slicer. So as you can see, I have my G-code right here, simply ready to go. Now, the way that you can make your G-codes is not by making it itself. The way to do this is to simply just finished with your models right here. And basically everything that you do inside your project will be translated into G-code. Basically, the G-code is responsible for sending the message onto our printer. So if I do something like edit the seam position right here, maybe let's do something like nearest, it will then simply edit that in our G-code. And now if we click on the slice plate option, click on the export G-code option, we can now get the current G-code that we have for this specific print option. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.